Hi everyone, I am Alessandra Iandong from BSN English 1A, and now I'm going to discuss Week 9 module in Linguistics 2. First, define the following: A. Acrolect, B. Mesolect, and C. Basilect. Acrolect is the most prestigious dialect or variety of a particular language, used especially in the study or Creole. Mesolect is the variety of language in a post-Creole continuum immediately between Baselect and Acrolect, often retaining semantic and syntactic features not found in the Acrolect and tending to vary from speaker to speaker, such as between Standard Jamaican English and Jamaican Creole. Baselect is a plural basilex or social linguistics, a variety of a language that has diverged greatly from the standard form, and it's only considered suitable for very informal context by speakers. Number 2 describes or defines the following terms, discuss the originals, and gives 2 examples for each term and give their meanings. A. Geologs. Geologs is a Filipino slang term or word used to describe persons, things, or events who or which are poorly made, dirty-looking, or corny, cheap. B. Bekimon or sword speak. That's Bekimon for you is Bekimon comes from the two words Becky or Becky. Gay speak for bakla or gays. And Jejamon, which refers to a strange text and internet language that has gained widespread usage among the netizens and mobile phone users in the Philippines. For example, Jejamon, for Bekimon examples is wale, which means another term for wala, which means nothing or corny. Another example is gora, which an expression used when you agree to something to be done, or accomplishment guy translation of word go. Example for Jejamon, which is a type of person in the Philippines who makes the English language hard to read. For example, po, same as above, which is PHOW. Ha ha, laughter, ja ja ja. He he he, smart laughter, which is je je je. Discuss the meaning of the following. A. Code switching. B. Discourse. C. Social discourse. D. Cultural discourse. Code switching is a sociolinguistic concept that describes the use of more than one language or grammatical system, usually by multilingual speakers or writers, in the course of a single conversation or written text. So the discourse is a creation and organization of a segments of a language above as well as below the sentence. It is segments of language which may be bigger or smaller than a single sentence, but the adduced meaning is always beyond the sentence. Social discourse is speech or text communication that involves a social element. The definition of discourse is very broad. The word discourse refers to nearly all the many ways that humans communicate with each other. Cultural discourse is an approach to communication which explores cultural distinctive communication practice as this occurs in their everyday context. The meanings participants activate in those practices, as well as cross-cultural analysis of those everyday practices and their meanings. E. Discourse analysis. The Oxford English Dictionary defines discourse analysis as linguistics, a method of analyzing the structure of text or utterance longer than one sentence, taking into account both their linguistic content and their social-linguistic context. Analysis performed using this method. Explain how do languages and cultures interact and influence each other. In reality, language uses to convey cultural ideas and beliefs. Furthermore, both culture and language allow us to look backward in history. Also, it helps shapes our thoughts, our cultural values influence the way we perceive, talk, and communicate with each other. That's what we all. Thank you.